Hey, this is Alfred Turner, your local real estate agent for the DMV Metro Development of Exeter Community Realty. I'm standing in front of my new listing, 6309 Foote Street, Capitol Heights, Maryland. Once again, this is Alfred Turner of Metro Development of Exeter Community Realty. Hey, get your buyers, bring them out. My number is somewhere on here. Give me a call, 301-332-2765. Hey, this house won't last for long. $350,000, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, hardwood floors throughout the main level, and then the foyer on the second level. Hey, new roof, newly done. New shed that's in the back, that's not even a year old. Hey, get your buyers together, come on out and see us.